My name is Kimberleigh Govender. I am currently a postdoctoral researcher at the Catalysis and Peptide Research Unit, whereby I am looking at developing pharmaceutically relevant scaffolds using environmentally friendly methods. The main purpose of my PhD was to look at underrepresented sulfur compounds. By using metal-free methods, we hope to be able to obtain our derivatives, which are sulfur-based, in a much more cheaper method. We hope to be able to minimize the impact of these compounds on the environment. The problem was why these are underrepresented is because methods to access them often use toxic metals and environmentally harsh methods. So my PhD looked at exploring methods to access these compounds in a much more environmentally friendly way. We hope that by developing these methods, we can expand the library and thereby look for further treatments for TB and HIV as treatments within South Africa. My focus is specifically on TB, so we are aiming for a better treatment towards TB with the sulfur compounds. When I am explaining the concept to students, I try to simplify it and try to relate it to real-world solutions. For example, when I'm teaching them stereochemistry, I show them a model and how they can visualize something 3D instead of just on a paper. I'm grateful that I have a female supervisor who has really empowered me and given me the voice to stand up and be a leader within my lab, and I hope to do the same for other young female scientists coming up. I believe that green chemistry can be affordable. We can employ more of a circular chemistry when we are looking at green chemistry. Especially within South Africa, we can draw on our biodiversity and natural resources. Being creative, again, is one of the reasons that drew me to organic chemistry. Your approach in solving those challenges needs to be creative, needs to be out of the box thinking. And being an art type person, I find I'm more drawn to looking at creative solutions until when faced with these challenges. I wanted to be a forensic chemist. However, once I went through the course of organic chemistry, physical chemistry, etc., I fell in love with organic chemistry because I was able to bring out my creative side in organic chemistry. So I look at forensic science as the stepping stone for me into chemistry.